There's a new image editing model came and it's seriously good. It's open source, and what I can say is my first impression to this model is insane. Like, it can generate text in a very clear format, it can edit your image in a way you cannot expect, by the way. So yeah, in this video we'll see different kind of examples that you will love. Actually, I'll show you different examples, interactive examples, video kind of examples, so you'll know what kind of model I'm talking about. And this model is also has a different paradigm. Like, you don't know the way it thinks, so it thinks in a very future step-by-step process, which is insanely good either way. So stay till the end of the video. I'm Aditya and you're watching SkillCurb. So let's see simple to the main page of this model, and you can see right now how to do anything step-by-step visual guidance. And now let me talk about this first example on the screen. So this is a image of a Mars explorer figure in the clay and paint. So it's an astronaut figure, and you can see this image step-by-step creation. And yes, this is how the model thinks. It step-by-step creates every picture, every bit, and at the end it creates a final image. Like, you can see the clay based astronaut. Now let's see another example. For example, how to modify the hairstyle. So you can see right now the hairstyle of this guy's cartoon is changing in every step, every image, like step 4, step 5. So yeah, this is a way to explain that how this model actually works. For example, look at this example, how to take the mobile phone out of the book. And this is how the model thinks. First it generates an image of a phone inside the book cover, then it slowly generates the hand, then it slowly in the second step generates a hand trying to release the phone out of the book, and in the step 3 it finally does it. So yeah, this is the way how this model works. Like, see another example. For example, this is a recipe to create momos, dumplings, I don't know, whatever you want to say. So this would do is, first you have to see all the entire spices, all that ingredients. In the next step you can see in a bowl combine ground pork and all that stuff and mix well until all the ingredients are evenly distributed. And in the step 3 you can see a hand trying to make the dumpling, trying to become a wrapper and a spoonful filling. And you can see in the step 4 and step 5 it started boiling, and you can see in the very step you can see it's already been serving. I know this sounds very silly, like what kind of thing I'm talking about here. So this is the process of this image model. It creates things step by step, like a recipe, like how the ChatGPT is a reasoning model sometimes think. Okay, now let's talk about the vivid stories. So yeah, you can do visual storytelling with imagination with limitless. So generate a cinematic story where the clay astronaut from the given image crash lands, and once you click here you can see a story where different kind of prompts, like a clay astronaut lands near a cluster of giant glowing mushrooms. And when you click on this, another page comes where you can see a Pokemon named Pikachu. Pikachu's fur glows evenly in the mist and it emits a soft electric spark. So yeah, you can generate these kind of storytelling with this image model too. You can see the astronaut and the Pikachu are going with hand holding. Another image you can see they are taking cover inside a kind of flower, which is itself a very big, now glowing faintly from Pikachu's energy. Now once you click you can see a weird kind of portals coming along where these people are going, and the story ends here. Now the main focus of this entire story is to show you that this EMU 3.5 model is insanely good when it comes to creating storytelling. Now let's go to the main topic here, the image editing. So first prompt you can see on the screen is a change the material source of the burning log to glass. So you can see this entire burning log, and suddenly once you just give it a prompt it starts creating a glassy look. So you can see the image editing here is insanely good, by the way. The consistency that amazes me here. Look at another image first. You will be seriously in love with this model after this. So make the dog hug the cat. So this is our original image. You can see on the left side, on the right side, this is the image when you prompt it, and you can see insanely good, like the way these cat and dogs are hugging each other. That's the consistency which I'm talking about, which is pretty rare, by the way, in any open source model. So you can see right now this model, open source model, is just released a week ago, not even a week ago, just a few days ago, and now you can see we have covered it in a way. So don't forget to subscribe our channel for understanding different kind of latest image and video models, because we cover all the AI and technology stuff in a faster manner. Now let's talk about another image here. So this is the image of a a Van Gogh style style, a kind of a room. And once you did it is a pan right, and once you did it, you can see right now the image extended, and you can see the right side of the room too. And what you can see is the image consistency is insanely good. The same wall paint, the same kind of the art consistency here is insanely impressive, by the way. So let's see another image we have is a kind of a convert this view as you are a bird flying above the building. So look at this image editing now. So what we did is we did a very top drone angle kind of shot, and this model generated it in a way better way. Like, I don't know if any model can do this in a better way. Now you can see on the right side we compared it with a different model. Now let's see another image we have is a very interesting image. Also, this is a painting, and we say she reads in the book in this calm indoor location. And you can see right now the painting is now the woman in the painting is reading the book inside this calm location kitchen. And you can see the modern art and the modern room structured in a way, they are like mixed in a way that we cannot say it's fake at all. Like, you can see the image of this woman is now has been 3D converted, which is very interesting because the image was in the very 2D image, and once we changed it with the editing, it converted it into the 3D one. Okay, the last example that amazes me is this, like the logo one. Okay, so now this model, you can now get an idea, is so good at comes to texting. So like, you can see a brushed metal version of this logo on the right side. So this was our original logo. We shared a BAI logo, the main company of this model, in a steel textured industrial lighting and reflection type of logo engraved in a steel. So now you're getting this model is insanely good and also consistent when it comes to text generation, and it does not hallucinate a text. Now see the more examples so we get a better idea. For example, let's see this model where we have these three images of a eagle, of a bird, of a man, of a different kind of restaurant kitchen. And what we did is we just included them all, and now you can see this man, who was in the car, now sitting in the chair, and in the table you can see the bird with the same restaurant. Character consistency is amazing here. However, the guy in the shirt is looking a little bit unrealistic, but overall it's good. So another image we have is this, like we have the objects number 1, 2, 3, like the object number 8 is a iMac, Mac 3 and 9 is a laptop. And what we say, object change the object 4 to a movie poster. So this is object of a scenery, and what we converted into a movie poster. You can see right now this is a movie, I don't know, it's an Avengers, but not actually the real poster. This is kind of AI generated poster of Avengers, but you can exactly read the text, and text is well written here. Now let's see another example here. So where we this entire pumpkin of a Halloween stuff, but in a more pinkish lightish tone. We say change this into a dark spooky Halloween night, make the macros glows in the airy inner light. So yeah, make this entire thing very horror. So you can see right now on the right side we got these pumpkin and all that stuff, but in a more darkish and dark tone way. And that's why I'm saying this model is seriously good. See another example here. So where this image of a woman having a hat, so we say just playful wink, tongue peeking out of it. And you can see on the right side we made it look, making it wink and making it out a bit of peeking tongue. So this is what I'm talking about. It's also really good when it comes to human. Now let's see another example we have is like this, enter the appropriate color in the place of the question mark. So we have this question mark angle, so hexagonal, I don't know if it's hexagonal or octagonal. So what we say is insert the appropriate color, and once it did, it actually appropriately colored it the red. And I think the theory was here is like all those colors are 2 and this one is singular, so that's why it converted into second both. So that's a very interesting thing. This model is actually thinking like smart thinking. Now let's see some of the images. For example, see this image of a animated scene of a close-up shot of a fluffy monster inside with a melting red candle with the art style of 3D Pixar type. And you can see on your screen this looks seriously good, cute and realistic. Now another image I see, this is insanely good, like the image of a red-haired Irish woman standing in the Windley cliffside near the ocean wearing wearing a green wool coat, strong natural light, and while glass or waves crashing in the background. And I seriously think when this model actually comes into the reality, it will be insanely realistic and good. Okay, another image, we have a cozy miniature kitchen scene in a depictive featuring rustic wooden, a table at the center with the laptop. So this is a very, that miniature kitchen kind of scene, and the prompt looks really detailed. And another reason this image came with a very interesting way. Okay, another art image I liked is a vibrant kitchen sitting surrounded by the lush greenery, and you can see a fox and a kid together in this image. And what I'm talking about is this one will shock you. You can see a whiteboard in a modern tech company meeting room filled with blue and black marker notes, and one thing you can see is the text is clearly legible. Like, you can actually read the text, and that's not a joke, my friend. If you're someone who knows AI, that's a big deal. Actually, AI models actually hallucinates a lot when it comes to text. Even now ChatGPT does. So yeah, if you're someone who knows this, will address the situation. Like, this is insanely rare when an open source AI image model is actually working good with the text. Not even this, look at this one. The guy in the blackboard has actually written the perfect text that makes sense and does not hallucinate. Like, for example, read the code, build a large scale multi-model world that natively predicts the next stage. So it's all about their own model, but the text is insanely legible, and it was not expected by an open source model. You can see all these equation on the board side. So yeah, this model is trying to show you that it can actually generate text a lot better than any open source, and even sometimes the cloud model too. Not only this, you can actually explore the entire map in the real time. So if you're someone who used Google Map and stuff, this is also AI generated entire space, and you can actually navigate through it. So like, for example, look at this first video where like we can actually navigate to the entire room with a modern living room in the first person view, where bright sunlight filters through the sheer curtain onto a beach sofa, wooden coffee table, creating a scenery, inviting atmosphere. And you can actually navigate through entire just like a Google map. Now look at this one too. Like, here you can use Eiffel Tower Park. Here you can actually explore it like a Google map. But by the way, let me tell you, this is entirely AI generated. So yeah, it's predicting every step every second. So yeah, this is why I'm telling you, this model is not just a normal model. This model is actually good and something the open source community should respect of. However, one thing, let me show you first that this model is still not very much available on the Comfy UI. They have this model's weights right now, but it's still not supported in the the platforms where we can test this model. Now once this model actually came all the different platforms, let me tell you, we'll just comment this and I'll make a different video on this to generate actual real-time images, and where we'll test this model in one of the hardest prompts you can ever imagine. If you like this video, just simply click on like button, share it, and for more such cutting edge tutorial, latest technologies videos every day, just subscribe the channel.